So, no problem. Oh, thank you, Paris. Just visit me on my profile if you want to be, no, part of my fan group. Okay, I need, yeah, I see that. Well, I guess I have to get live like, like 10 hours or 6 hours per day to get more followers, to get more gifts. And then I wish I had spender as what they said. Spender is much better. But still okay if I don't have one. I know there's a lot of people, but I hope I'm gonna find one. How can you get to my profile? You have to click my name there upstairs. You can check that. Please don't forget I'm for each okay? Click my profile and then you can see the fan group and there you have to on that. You have to click that and join in the fan group if you want. 200, 200 beans for the followed back. Actually, I always followed back even no one's sending me 200 gift. Thank you, Zab. Actually, Zab is a good friend of mine. Thank you so much, guys. I do really appreciate. Actually, guys, I'm just, ala, thank you. Wow, guys, we already get the 3,000 hearts. That's good. Sorry, guys, I'm sounds like OA. Sorry. Where are the others? Guys, I can read your message. Hello, sorry, I always followed. Actually, 2% milk, I always followed people who just requested me to follow back. I didn't give them, give them, I never asked them to give me beans to follow back. I'm sorry. So now I have an idea. Okay? Oh my God, I'm so kind. Okay, so as of now, I have an idea, guys. If you want to follow me back, you have to send me gifts. So in Tagalog, guys, kung gusto nyong, i-follow back ko kayo, kailangan, mag-send kayo ng gift, even just like a 50. 50, send me, and then I'm gonna follow you back, and then I'm gonna respond your message, okay? So I guess 50 is enough because not all people can afford like 200 beans. Hi, Getsinova, shall we? Okay. Hi, Razel 13, you're here, still here, huh? How are you? Hi, Doza. Guys, so much, grabe. I'm so very overwhelmed. I'm so very happy, guys. Thank you. I can't believe. Guys, I'm almost get the 2K na. I hope I'm gonna get the 2K. Hello, Rai. Hello, Rai. I hope you're not angry to me. Oh, that's great. Then you have to share ideas to me. Better to share your knowledge, huh? I missed you. Huh? You miss me? I don't even know you. Then you miss me, huh? Guys, you must be careful saying I love you, saying I missed you to the person you never know, okay? Because that is the most very important things. Okay? I mean, it's that's a very love language that you can give to someone, okay? So you must be careful saying I miss you, I love you, because every woman is just like very easy to attach, okay? But except me. Charis. Have a great night, love. Oh, thank you, Paris. Thank you. Actually, I'm about to to stand up in my bed na just because I'm awake now. Oh, Marlon, oh my God, Marlon, you give me the 999 likes. My God, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Guys, please don't forget to follow me, okay? Please don't forget to follow and then tap or share this video. You can share this to anyone you know. Then if you want to see me dancing, so okay. Just check to my profile later on. Ano ba yun? Paano naman natin pag lumalaban lang siya kasi may nakukuha pa siya sa akin pero wala namang feelings? Oh, you have to let it go, okay? So, that kind of person, you have to let it go. Kailangan mong, dance with you later on. That kind of person, kailangan i-let go mo yan. Kasi if the person only used you, then you have to let it go. Kasi di ba, that's just, not just your energy wasting, it's like your financial, he or she wasting it, so you have to let it go, okay? Don't be sad. There's always a right time for everything, so you have to be patient. Hello po. Hi, 874, shall we? Okay, to everyone who messaged me using their second account, guys, I must recommend use your main account so that I may know you, okay? So, di ba? I'm gonna be myself. So, please, please, very katapusan ka na lang chat tapos sasabihin mo walang budget. Yung every, oh no, what's the me? Yung every katapusan ka na lang i-chat tapos sasabihin mo lang budget. Oh, that's the very sad part. I guess that's a very sad part. Nails on me, you're so maganda. Actually, I'm a simple. Before, I was just using the I'm so maganda. Not that much, I guess. Not that much. But, I do really appreciate that compliment. Thank you. Thank you. Got 2% milk. Actually, guys, if someone was just communicating you in the end of the month saying that, oh my God, I don't have budget, I need this, I need this, just let go. Let that person go. That is not worth it, okay? They're just trying to use you, okay? They're just trying to get some financial on you. But actually, if you're in the relationship, 50-50, it's good. But if you're going to say like, everything was on you, that is not good. Black, I know you can understand me, even if I'm talking English. Some of my viewers is English, so I have to talk English. Okay? Just tell me if you can't understand me. I'm gonna translate it to Tagalog. Hi, Nash! How are you, Nash? I told you I'm gonna go on live. Hello, Nash. Actually, Nash is a good friend also. It's from the New Zealand. I don't understand your point. Oh, point. Okay, that's good. So you have to put that in your mind that there's a right time for everything. So don't trust the time, okay? Then if you feel like there's something wrong, then you have to let it go. You don't need to stay put in the situation that you don't deserve. Kasi minsan kasi hindi natin alam na yung para bang hindi natin namamalayan na nasa risky situation tayo. So yun, at like in the end of the day lang natin marirealize na, oh my God, this is too much. Okay? So my advice is, as of now, you have to learn it. Okay? It's very hard to let go, but yeah, you have to keep strong because that's the part of our life. That's the chapter of our life. So you need to be prepared. Okay? And then, yeah, if you need someone to talk, then you can join my live every day. I'm gonna talk to you. Okay, I'm gonna share live inspirational quotes. Quotes. No, it's not a quote. It's just like a message. Okay, just to awake you if you want. Okay, Black, don't be sad, Black. I followed you, Black. I know you're from Bulacan. Okay? Please don't be sad. Just na lang, just think that that's the part of our life. Okay? Yeah, I followed you back. So, how long you been in relationship na ba? Gosh, thank you, Gato Milk. There's a lot of people sending me that. Yeah, that's why sometimes I don't like to see the messages because it makes me crazy. Hi, Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Okay. So, sino pa bang mga broken-hearted dito? Who is a broken one? So, just comment. I'm gonna talk to you guys. I'm gonna give you some advice if you want. Okay? I guess American is not just kind of broken because they are always so happy person. Also the Pinoy man, but sometimes Pinoy is just like they kind of people na very loving until to the point na they didn't know that someone is hurting them feelings. Diba? Sino ka? Sino ka? There are so many kind of pronunciation of sino ka. Sino ka? Like, you are